Welcome and hello. Happy New Year, everybody. New Year, new ideas. So I was thinking of doing a segment called Whatever Wednesdays. And it actually should be Whatever Whenever Wednesdays, because it will, I may or may not have time to do a Wednesday shoot. But anyway, so I thought we would go ahead and start the new year off with a Whatever Wednesday. And this is the Whatever Wednesday box. And what is in here is just things that I purchased throughout the year that I think would be good for the Barbies. And you know, they're bargains. They're just cute little items. It could be anything and everything. Crazy. So I thought we would go ahead and start with, I know other people have shown these before, but these are little mini Care Bears. And they will be, I think, great props for the dolls. Like good-sized teddy bears for the dolls. I got these two from Walmart. I believe they were $2.99 when I got them on sale. They might be regularly like $3.99 or something. I also saw them at Target for about the same price. All right, so let's get this little guy out of the box. And back here, you can make a poster out of this. And oh, look at the little rainbow background. You could do something with that, I'm pretty sure. He's held in by the little ties, as usual. Okay, so here's our little Grumpy Bear. This is Grumpy Bear. Got this huge tag on it, so yeah. Anyway, so here she is holding her new bear. And yeah, I think that is an excellent size for the dolls. So they now have two little bears to add to what they have. You could even use the top of the box as a poster. Just kind of cut it out if you're a big Care Bears fan. So yeah, you can cut this out and use it as a poster. Resting grump face. So yeah, even the box can be made into several cool things. Well, since I showed you these, let me show you these again. This is an Amazon fun find, and it looks like a Victorian lamp post. Now, the reason I got this is obviously it's not going to work as a lamp post. You can see it's actually very elaborate. It is metal. It's just got a standard plastic pencil sharpener in it, but we're not really interested in that anyway. It does not come apart or anything, but it's really cute. Now, I'll tell you the reason that I got this is, you could see it next to the Barbie, is, you know, those old-fashioned Victorian staircases, they used to have these elaborate lamps on the newel post in the big Victorian mansions, and I was thinking of trying to do some kind of Victorian style, like entrance hall diorama at some point. And that's what I got these for, is to sit on the newel post. And I got two of them because I wasn't sure exactly how I was going to do it. I'm thinking you could also, if you wanted to, add a base to it and have this as like a lamp post out in front of a house, like, you know, in a garden or something. Now, sometimes, you know, you see something and you think it's going to be great and you get it and it's not. I saw these little boots on Temu, so I'll try to put I'll see if I can find the listing and put it down there. But as you can see, they are way too big for the Barbies. But they're okay for Ken. So welcome, Xavier. Say hi, Xavier. So Xavier is a classic Ken body. So as you can see, even on Xavier, they're kind of chunky looking. They look a little strange, but they're doable. And I think they would probably work better on a buff Ken. Would be the best fit. But I think it works. It's a little iffy, but it does work. They're actually really well made, so I was kind of sad that they turned out to be larger than I expected. What else do we have in here? Oh, you have seen this coat before when I did the Barbie Wave 4 unboxing and restyling. I used this for the doll I call Erin. Absolutely gorgeous doll. And so I bought this little fashion pack specifically for the coat because I wanted a camel colored winter coat for her. And it does fit, but it's not lined. It's kind of just, these collars are weird, and when you get it on the doll, it wants to go like this, and then you see all of this. So I think one thing that I could do to improve this is I could stitch in a lining, and then I could reshape and, you know, kind of stitch these, maybe give them a finished edge like this, and stitch it, and it'll just, you know, if it wants to flip open, it'll just look much better than that. You can see the difference right there. That's probably how I will improve this. I mean, otherwise it's a very well made coat, and it fits the doll wonderfully. But also in that fashion pack, but it came with these boots, and it came with this really neat little dress. This dress is actually quite nice. Velcros up the back, ribbon straps. It is sewn beautifully. It's edged, stitched. The lining doesn't go all the way. It's just right here at the top, but it's still, fabric has a slight bit of stretch to it. I don't think it'll go on a curvy. I'm going to move this out of the way. You've seen the Whatever Wednesday box. So, and I'm going to set Rebecca right here. But here's Erin wearing that dress with the boots. It's not bad. It's not bad. Boots fit, of course. They went on very easy. The dress fits her beautifully. Velcro's up the back, as we said. And I think this looks really, really good on her. Now for the coat. So here's Erin in the coat. She's in the full outfit, you can see. It looks good, but as you can see what I was talking about, this collar. But as you can see what I was talking about right here with this. So if I did what I was talking about, where I just kind of folded it in like this, I mean, look at the difference that makes. So yeah, that's what we're going to do with this. But anyway, here's the entire outfit that I got. I think it's a very cute outfit. I think it's very elegant. Erin's style is very elegant and chic. There's a better angle. Now you can see our girls. So today on Whatever Wednesday, we did a little short review and talked about our plans for these pencil sharpeners. We looked at these boots and how they fit a Ken doll better than they do Barbie. Probably best for buff Ken. And then we looked at some mini Care Bears and how they work with our dolls. So that is what we had for you on the very first Whatever Wednesday. We want to wish you a very happy new year. Bye.